Hello, I'm gonna read for my classmates and teacher. The Beep Beep Boop Boop Jug-a-Lug Car by Terry Barnett. The car that went beep beep went up a hill that was very, very steep, and over the ditch that was very, very deep. The Boop Boop car drove very, very far, up the hills and down, on the road that led to town. Then the Jug-a-Lug car went Jug-a-Lug. It stopped and picked up a snail that needed to buy a new shell. It stopped to pick up a cat that needed to buy a new hat. It stopped to pick a frog that needed to buy a new log. It stopped to pick up a rabbit that needed a life and habit. It stopped to pick up a mouse that needed to buy a new house. Then a butterfly that wanted new wings so he could fly away next spring. Preposterous, said a rhinoceros. We're too small to carry us all. But the Boop Boop car just went beep beep and went up a hill that was very, very steep. Beep beep, boop boop, Jug-a-Lug, the end. Thank you.